Hello everybody, and today we're probably going to be doing the most amazing, most energetic, most awesome video to date. We're going to be unboxing a power supply. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to be unboxing the CX450M from Corsair. It's a 450 watt power supply, semi-modular. We're going to go ahead and open it up. 80 plus bronze with a 5-year warranty. As you can see here, just opened up the box and we're greeted with a important information packet. Blah, 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 in every language in the world. Yeah, every language in the world. So you can see here on the left side we have some cheap cable ties and some screws. This looks like all SATA power, I think. Yeah, this looks all SATA power. The AC wall adapter. We actually have the power supply here. As you can see, it's wrapped up in some bubble wrap. We're gonna go ahead and take it out if I can figure out how. You know what? We're just gonna get in there. There we go. All right, so we have our Corsair CX450. As you can see on the back here, we have where our AC adapter would go in, our on-off switch. I think this is a 140 millimeter fan here on the top, but I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it's a power supply. So as you can see here, semi-modular. We have our 8-pin CPU connector, it looks like. Yeah, this is CPU power and our 24-pin motherboard power. And this is where all your peripherals and PCIe and SATA connectors would go. So you just plug them in here. So it's not as organized as having a fully modular power supply. Well, it's as organized, but you're not able to, say you wanted to get custom braided cables or whatever and what have you. You're not able to do that on something semi-modular like this, but it is a lot cleaner than getting some cheap, I don't even know what you call it. It's not modular, the opposite of modular. Non-modular? Non-modular, there you go. A non-modular power supply. Yeah, so you can get a really nice clean aesthetic with this. But for the most part, I think that's all. That's on me unboxing a power supply. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. Go check out some of my other videos, other unboxings, some cool projects I've done. Thank you all for watching.